The AK series has always had a special place in Kwolfsawan heart. Today we're unboxing the AK102, and I tell you, this toy comes packed with more layers than a Russian doll. The accessory box is no sense, opening everything makes sense inside. Once you find a liberty, every boy instinctively knows how to assemble it. This toy gun is all black with enough metal to make you think use it for anything rather than play. Trust me, it belongs to indoors. When installing the stock, a bit of a muscle might come in handy. You need to insert the pin here, and you might even consider a tiny hammer for this epic task. The stock release button folds easily right here. Leave the cover on the handguard, and that's where the toy power resides. But hold your horses before you rush off to the Russia-Ukrainian front line. Let's explore a little bit more. Mag release smooth as butter. On the flip side of the AK102, the stock latch with every detail perfectly replicated. Russia associates at the finest. The handguard, side rail and top rail all turn this toy into a tactical AK wonder. Compared to his father, the AKS-47 from 3 years ago, which folded both up and down, this one folds to the left. Lucky for us, we can still get our hands on such toys. Check them out at Kwolfsawan.com. You'll be delighted to know that the receiver up cover is interchangeable. Their magazines are also interchangeable, just like a fun jigsaw puzzle. Want the biggest discount on AK toy garnish? Check on the Kwolfsawan YouTube channel and you uncover the secrets.